Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you beautiful hairstyle, natural hairstyle, short hairstyle. So guys, you're so welcome to my channel. So guys, in the hand I bring for you different and beautiful. I bring for you how to style natural hair, how to style short hair. You're going to find it on this video. Okay guys, I bring for you beautiful hairstyle, natural hairstyle. So guys, if you're first time to find the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. I'm always here to share natural hairstyle. So on the hand, if you're going to watch this video up to end, I bring for you, if you want something to treat your hair, which oil you're supposed to use on your hair, or which home remedy you can use, okay guys, to your hair grow. So you're going to find it, if you're going to watch the video up to end, you're going to find it on the end. I put for you the short video which home remedy you're supposed to use your hair grow. It's really so nice, it makes your hair grow. If you use it after 3 days, 4 days, you're going to find it here. So guys, I hope you're going to like the video. You're going to watch it up to hand so that you can find what you told you, how to treat your hair, which oil you're supposed to use, which home remedies you're supposed to use to treat your hair at home. It's so simple. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. And once again, if you're still new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful hairstyle. I'm here always to share with you guys beautiful hairstyle. Enjoy the video up to end. More graphics. God bless you more. Okay guys, enjoy the video.